Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin and a little bit about the markets. I briefly wanted to talk about altcoins as well, but I'll be back later today with a middle of the day market update, talking about the market as a whole a bit more. And in this, we will focus on Bitcoin, on Bitcoin a bit more, but. We're at a difficult spot. All right. Yesterday, what I said is that, well, as long as we're holding this level right here. At 102,000 and 100,000, we're holding the range breakout, and as long as we're doing that, we're bullish. And I still do think that, but the main thing that I find a little bit difficult right now is that Bitcoin is also at this very strong and respected and tested resistance level between 108 and 107,000. That's also the resistance where yesterday we ended up. That's where the bullish momentum brought us, and that's also where we have rejected from. Since then. And the big question is well, obviously, if we actually want to stay bullish, because at this point of time, we're definitely bullish, all right? We broke out with volume, and we actually are still holding that breakout. But if we want to stay bullish, we actually have to get some sort of bullish continuation at some point of time too. And that, I think, is quite difficult, all right? For that, I think we need some sort of change in the fundamentals so that we can actually do that. Because what you can see right now, if you take a look at Bitcoin, is that the volume is dropping down rapidly, which is it's normal. The volume was very, very, very high, but right now it's down 31%. And at the same point of time, we're also there's also no massive open interest growth, which is both a blessing and a curse. Because one of the best things, and one of the things that actually makes me more bullish on Bitcoin right now, is the fact that the leverage is actually still quite low. Like, the leverage right now is actually at the same levels it was at when, for example, the price was at 97,000. So that means a lot of spot has been bought, and that's in general that's another indication that we are bullish. And I also do think, to cut to the chase, that we are still bullish. All right. If you take a look at, for example, the Coinbase Bitcoin price yesterday, we actually saw that get into a premium again, which is great. It indicates some sort of bidding from the US, from the United States as well. And if you go back into time, what some of you might not remember, but you can still kind of see the end of it. I mean, the entire month of November, we had a Coinbase Bitcoin premium, and the month of November was amazing, as most of you hopefully do remember. So that's coming back, and like I said, not that much leverage, and I think overall the fundamentals actually look quite good as well. Stock markets have been very strong, almost at all-time highs. The dollar strength index has been relatively weak yesterday, which is also good. But then another thing that makes me doubt the bullish breakout, like one of the things that could change so that we can break out is some sort of an announcement of a strategic Bitcoin reserve or something similar by the US government, or it's some sort of a breakthrough in the macroeconomic markets. For example, if the dollar strength index really turns bearish here on the 12-hour time frame. But there's no real economic data kind of coming out to make us break down right now. And outside of that, the S&P 500 actually has quite a lot of gaps to the downside to fill, which is another reason why we might actually see the dollar strength index hold and the S&P 500 trace back a bit more. So there's some uncertainty in the macroeconomic markets. The volume is dropping down, and I think we are lacking, and that I might be wrong about, but I do think we're lacking some sort of a reason to actually start to trend up and start to break out again. So at this point of time, yes, I am still bullish on Bitcoin for reasons I've given earlier in this video. So what I would say is most likely is that we will consolidate, but that we will still eventually break out. I mean, there is also a very realistic possibility that we do get news regarding a potential strategic Bitcoin reserve. Probably not, but something similar. So therefore, I think this is most likely, but I'm becoming a little bit more cautious and aware about the possibility of breaking back down below 101,000 and dropping down into 92,000. I don't think per se that's very bearish, and I don't think that would be the end of the bull market. But it is a possibility. I will keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know regarding Bitcoin. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.